Hi, it's Michelle Einstein song Birdsong, doing Age Traced. Puerto Rican Cuban Pisces Alex said when I first came there he thought I was 50. Cubans are smart. Pisces are psychic. The sun said to me, "You are beautiful. Tell me your hopes." Unsaid, because you are my daughter, you will receive them. That is your hopes. Jonathan, you will receive your hopes. Jonathan Livingston Seagull, St. Andrew, Jesus Christ, Michelle's husband's closest disciple, said, "Our one freedom is to love and to choose to live each day as we wish." Stem cells can reverse age about 20 years. She thinks she's 77. 50 years. Alex's belief of her age makes her 27. Michelle thought she is 31. She is 27, going to 31 for eternity. Age 28 is the age the woman craves having a baby. tMichelle Birdsong believes, that's tMichelle Birdsong with David Garrett. tMichelle Birdsong with Sir Paul McCartney. tMichelle Birdsong believes hopes and wishes. She believes, she hopes and wishes that she is pregnant with quintuplets. The son of Jesus, Ian, Caleb, a new soul, Albert Einstein, the son of David Garrett, Queen Elizabeth, Prince Philip, and John Lennon, triplets of St. Paul, Sir Paul McCartney. King David is Bathsheba's husband. Michelle Einstein Songbird Song. Songbird. Song. There's a song titled Songbird. Sung by Josh Groban, Jesus Christ, and Rita Wilson. And the songbirds sing like they know the score. She hopes so. She hopes she knows the score. Therefore, she knows the score. And I love you. I love you. I love you like never before. Energy of Eve, her, be, or. She be herself, I, you. She be Josh Groban, me, Jesus. She's the first female Jesus Christ. She be myself, King David Garrett, and I, Sir Paul McCartney, St. Paul. What's going on the next stage? What's going on the next stage? What it is whatever she hopes and wishes. tMichelle. She, tMichelle, hopes. And A for angel, D for daughter of the sun, the most, most high God. Okay? So that's me, myself, and I. Okay? Makes sense to you? Makes sense to me. Watch the video again, it'll make sense to you too. Because I've crossed all the T's and dotted all the I's. So,